Welcome back to Backup World. Today we'll learn about recovery from VM backup. What are the options in VM backup recovery? So first, we should navigate to backup where inventory. We spare VMs. Select the VM and take if on demand. Check backup is completed or not. If there is no backup, take on demand backup and select the restore point or a snapshot that should be recovered. And here on the right side you can see recover option. Click on that recover, so we can see the snapshot time and duration of the snapshot, expiration of the snapshot, and cluster, where the snapshot is existed, and total number of snapshot on demand, all the details here. Then once we click on recover, we can see the options like export. Export is to create new virtual machines from existed virtual machine. And recovery here, recover files. Recover files, we can recover individual files from VM backup, snapshot backup. And in place recovery, in place recovery, replace the source virtual machine with new virtual machine, so it will replace existing virtual machine. And live mount, whenever VM is during DR or sometime, even uh, VM is not accessible. So to access VM immediately, we use live mount option. So within 5 minutes, VM would be available. Data would be in a cluster, Rubrik cluster, but VM will be available and all data would be accessible for the user. And there is one instant recovery also. It is faster recovery option. Then click next. Here we can see recovery like the destination options, restore destination like vCenter, which vCenter we can select, where to restore the full VM that we can select here. And then we can see more options like data store. So data store also, original data store or any new data store, so we can select. And if we select data store, we can see data stores and available spaces in the selected vCenter. So that we can select wherever we have enough space, that vCenter we can select. And if you expand these advanced options, we can see hot add uh, transport mode. So if we wish, we can select that one. Usually we will not select. And then we click that one, we can see the network related options. So if you want to restore VM with network, we can select. Otherwise, we have to remove the virtual network and proceed. If we remove the virtual network, it will not consume the network resources. So whenever VM should be open, the platform teams or mm, yeah, platform PM teams, they will be powering on by assigning networks whenever they need the VM. And at finally here we can see here options uh, like restore name, restore recovery here. VM name should be here either same or different one. So usually we'll put different restore name, restore VM name. Then we can, once the restore is started in previous step, recover, we can see recover, export option here. Once we select export, then we can see here restore started, and after few minutes restore will get complete. We can see here under events. Once restore is completed, we can log in vSphere client and navigate to we center where we which we center and ESXi host, whichever ESXi host we selected in restore, the we can navigate there and see if test restore is, I mean, we performed restore is performed or not. So we can see restore has been done and it is on powered off state. So network also, it was, there is no network assigned to this virtual machines. If if platform teams or VM team required, they will edit the settings and assign network and all the resources. Okay, here ends the VM restore. Thank you.